In December 1941, Japanese forces invaded Burma. Their bombers struck Rangoon as American volunteer pilots of the Flying Tigers fought to slow the advance. British resistance soon collapsed. Before withdrawing, engineers destroyed bridges in the Yenangyang oil fields while troops and civilians fled north. Burma was part of Japan's wider December 1941 offensive. Rangoon was abandoned as Japanese troops occupied the city and advanced toward Mandalay, Burma's last major stronghold. Despite difficult terrain and growing supply problems, the offensive never slowed. Heavy bombing and artillery paved the way before Japanese forces captured Mandalay, securing central Burma. With Mandalay and Lashio captured, Japan cut the Burma Road, China's main supply route. Burma's collapse forced hundreds of thousands of civilians to flee alongside British, Indian, and Chinese troops. Many crossed mountains, rivers, and monsoon-soaked jungle before reaching India. There, General Joseph Stilwell vowed to rebuild his forces and return to Burma. Commander of Chinese forces Stilwell led a hard retreat of 140 miles in 20 days. By late 1942, General Wavell launched the first British offensives in Arakan, but they failed against experienced Japanese jungle tactics. Japan still controlled Burma. In India, Stilwell trained Chinese troops while Wavell rebuilt Indian forces for jungle warfare. British and American reinforcements steadily arrived for the coming campaign. Defeat in Arakan forced the Allies to rethink jungle warfare. Supplying China over the Himalayas was slow and dangerous. New airfields were built to launch transport planes while engineers built the Leda Road, a supply route to China. In October 1943, Lord Mountbatten took command of the new SEAC. A new Arakan offensive used radio, tanks, and air supply, bringing the first Allied victories in Burma. As fighting resumed in Arakan, China was supplied through the Hump and the Leda Road. From the Chinese-American headquarters, Stilwell launched the offensive against Myitkyina in early 1944. Chinese artillery, mortars, and infantry slowly broke the fortified defenses. Engineers extended the Leda Road toward China as Brigadier Ord Wingate launched Operation Thursday. Behind enemy lines, the Chindits destroyed bridges, supply bases, and communications. Myitkyina and Operation Thursday weakened Japan's grip. In the spring of 1944, General Renya Mutaguchi's 15th Army launched Operation Yugo against Slim's 14th Army at Imphal and Kohima. Despite fierce Japanese assaults, Allied radio coordination and air supply kept the garrisons fighting. British artillery, machine guns, and tanks shattered the offensive. Japan lost the initiative in Burma forever. The Imperial Japanese Army's attempt to regain the initiative ended in strategic defeat. After capturing Pearl Hill, Indian troops advanced as engineers assembled pontoon bridges for the Irrawaddy crossing. General Slim led the assault across Burma's greatest natural barrier. Allied forces recaptured the strategic town of Lashio, securing the Burmese end of the Burma Road before advancing toward Mandalay. The Allied crossing opened the road to Mandalay and Lashio. Allied forces surrounded Mandalay, the last major Japanese stronghold in central Burma. Airstrikes, heavy artillery, and infantry finally captured the city. After inspecting its ruins, Mountbatten launched Operation Dracula. While Japanese rearguards resisted, other troops tried to escape by sea, but Allied aircraft destroyed many of their boats before airborne and amphibious forces secured Rangoon. On May 2, 1945, 3 years of Japanese occupation ended. British forces returned to a jubilant Rangoon. On August 28, 1945, General Numata signed Burma's surrender before General Browning.